movies around this very name, Sounds of English. But what we'll do is we'll look into it on a more serious note. Now, written English, or when you first learnt English, you were asked to learn 26 alphabets in English. That is A to Z. Okay. Now, what you have to understand is there are 26 alphabets in written English, corresponding to 26 different sounds. So, 26 alphabets is for written purposes. But in spoken English, you have much more sounds, physical sounds, than the 26 alphabets can denote. For example, if I ask you how many vowels are there in English, you would tell me 5. That is A, E, I, O and U. However, what I am trying to explain here is these are the written denotative markers of all the sounds that are, all the vowel sounds that are produced in English. For example, when you write the word car, you are writing C-A-R. Yes, and this is being produced as car, as an A. However, when you are writing C-A-T, you are writing C-A-T, but it is being produced as A. So, you have A and you have A. Here, you can see that we have shown that spoken English has two variations of that alphabet of A. Similarly, if you go by this method, you have at least a minimum of 11 vowels that Indian English is capable of pronouncing or differentiating. For example, you have bit and you have a longer E saying beat. You have caught saying aw, and you also have O, a fuller O saying no. So similarly, you have around 11 vowels that an Indian English speaker is able to pronounce very easily.